Hello friends, welcome to Dan Brothers. Today we are going to make a fish. Take a chart paper and fold it like a square. Then cut the remaining portion. Now we get a square paper. Again, fold the paper like a triangle. Then cut it 2 pieces. Now we get 2 pieces. Then take one paper and fold it again. Again cut it into 2 pieces. Now we get 2 pieces. Now take one paper and place it above the paper. Now fold each side and paste it. Now we get fish tail. Paste the tail and body for the fish. Now take the eyeball and paste for the fish's size. Now draw a mouth for a fish. Now our fish is ready. Thank you friends. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.